Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. This morning I wanted to go through an interesting little project, the Pharo Launcher. It's available for Mac, and you have to be online. I found that out when I was still on Snow Leopard. I tried to install it and it failed. So if you're online, you can install this from the App Store. It's right here. I just searched for Pharo Launcher and turned it up. I'll get rid of that. And it installs something here in Applications, and if I fire this up, what it does is it has a little drag-drop area where you can put a VM that you want to use, and you just drag it there. What I did is I came into this window and I dragged the cog VM over top of it there. And then you have the image area. Now, this works a little funny to me. It doesn't work the way I completely expected it to, but it does work. What you want to do is grab something, and I'll put this up where you can see it. I have a directory that has an image and change file and sources, and I have the one-click VM. Now, if I grab the one-click VM, if I want to do that, instead of me having to go and figure out where things are when I save the image, if I do this and just drop it on top of here, now my thought is it should add that to the list. It doesn't seem to. It seems to just add it and then delete the other one. I'm not sure why that happens, but in any case, here it is. If I start this, it'll fire it up for me, and the nice thing is I can quit it from here without any prompts, and if I want to just have my own image structure over here, I can go ahead and drop this on here, and it'll go ahead and give me that. Now, start that up, and let's do this. Let me go ahead and save this as Pharo 2. And now if I go ahead and notice this, you see I have my two images here, so let's quit the one I'm running. And if I start this one up, I start the other image. So this gives you the ability to manage. Now if you have the one-click image, it doesn't seem to go ahead and manage that as well for you. But if you keep things in their own directory structure like this, it'll manage this up pretty nicely for you. Notice I now have these two images here and I can easily start them and stop them. So it makes it pretty easy to manage that process if you're not running the one-click. If you're running the one-click, it's still a little dicey to me managing that with everything else, but it's a nice start, and it kind of cleans up the whole management aspect of running Smalltalk images, at least on the Mac. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.